Hey guys, what it is, what's up? It is your girl Cassandra Liz. For those who do not know,
You serious?
what it is, what's up? Hola mi gente, bienvenidos a mi canal. Okay, I really do not sound good in Spanish, but welcome back to my channel. For those who do not know me, make sure you guys click that subscribe button. Make sure to click the bell right beside it just to get future post notifications every single time I post a new video. So, in today's video, I decided to show you guys, I'm gonna help you guys out so that you guys know how to apply your foundation, your concealer, your contour, your blush, and all that jazz. A lot of you guys really like to natural it out every single day or even wear less makeup. This is my easiest steps for you guys. Hopefully this is very helpful. I'm not sure. Without further ado, let's just hop into this video. So after I wash my face, I just like to go in with the badescu facial spray. This is the rose water one, and just spray that all over my face. And I just like rub it in. I feel like we all think that it's gonna just work with us just spraying it on our face, and maybe when we put our foundation it's gonna work like that, but you gotta put this into them pores, girl. Then I just like to go in with the Origins Original Skin. This is the Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer with really girl, with willow herb. Little pump on it, mine's kind of like that's how it dries, you guys. Like, it looks like foundation, but when you put it on your skin it doesn't. This is like my biggest problem. What is this, airbrushing? It does close up my pores, and you guys know how I feel about my huge pores on my skin. Like, no girl. So just like kind of rub it into your pores, or any, like if you don't have large pores you could skip this, but I would always prefer to use a face primer just before I use my foundation, just because it just lasts longer, it feels better, and you ain't about to look cakey, okay? Y'all already did that without looking in the mirror. Now, in the old video, obviously, I was using Maybelline, but not this stuff. And if you guys have yet to get your hands on this foundation, it is amazing. Applying it is so easy. The coverage is so beautiful. Like, I'm for this foundation. Maybelline doesn't disappoint. So this is the Superstay Full Coverage 24-hour foundation, and my shade is 130 Buff Beige, or I think it's my shade. Like, I don't know, it matches me, so lately I just like to use one of these little flat brushes to apply my foundation, just because I don't like to really put my hands on my face too much. I find that, like, me touching my face, I start to break out, and you guys know we gotta keep our hands super clean because our faces are very sensitive. So I've been using just a little flat brush, but you guys can just like apply it like I used to. Just like apply some on the brush. I cannot apply a foundation. I should try that. Like, try not using a mirror to see how I'm applying my makeup and see how it comes out, huh? Like, I would probably look like a damn clown. But yes, the coverage, oh my gosh, I can't stress that enough. But maybe it's just all Maybelline foundations. Like, it's just so bomb. It makes me look so like airbrushed. And typically I don't prefer to use a brush when applying my foundation, just because I love the beauty blender now. Oh my goodness. Or a beauty sponge. Just damp it up and just, like, you know, hurry up and blend it all out. How cute is this freaking stand? Like, it's just so freaking cute. But so this is the original beauty blender, and I don't know why I did not get me one, but now I know the difference between the beauty sponges and Real Technique sponges and the beauty blender. This one is bomb. So I just damp it and just dab that foundation all over my face just to blend it out. One thing that I do find, that this foundation does dry fairly quickly, but it's still like I said, I like to use a damped beauty blender, and it just like blends it so bomb. Like, I just love the coverage of this foundation. It's amazing. I got it for like $9 at Walmart, and I was just like, yes, because at Ulta it's like $12.99. I was like, huh, you tried it. You really did try it. So focused every time, and I always get like super quiet because I be like so focused. I'm like, Damn, girl, damn. Get it right. Get it tight. Time to look like a whole snack. Right back into that Mario Badescu spray and just spray your face. Set that. I prefer a dewy skin, but if you guys go more for a matte foundation, then you guys already know, reach for a matte foundation. Okay, so now with concealer, which is typically what I use for under my eyes, my chin, you're about to see, but I like to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. This is in the shade Natural. The little applicator is just so easy to use. I got mine at Ulta, I believe, for like $4 or $5. Very affordable, come on. We grew up using LA Girl, well, no, maybe I'm a little too old. I don't know. And then I like to place some on my chin, just a little bit. A tad bit on the bridge of my nose, and then the tip. Just the tip, so like a little exclamation point. And then I just go like this on my forehead just to brighten up my forehead a bit. This is typically where I like to conceal the most, so just my chin, under my eyes. I feel like this eye has more product, but we're just gonna keep on going. Bridge of my nose, forehead, and we just use our beauty blender just to blend away all the concealer, just to look flawless and put together and concealed and covered up. Telling you, this makes a major difference within every single look. So I just use the same beauty sponge that I just used to put my foundation, well, to blend my foundation, and I just lightly tap under my eye, and you guys can see like it just blends away, but with a nice coverage, you know, like it just looks so bomb. I love this. I remember I never used to like to conceal or use concealer like that. And so one time, like, I think it was after I was pregnant with my son, I was just like, I'm gonna get this CoverGirl concealer, and I don't remember what it was. It had like a silver little top, but the coverage of that was so bomb. I don't think they have it anymore because I still look for it to this day, and I don't think they have it, but it was a bomb AF concealer. I like to use a little bit of everything, high-end and very affordable products, so but I will start using very affordable products here on my channel for you guys. But of course I'm gonna be using different things. You never know what I'm gonna end up using. So once we are done with our concealer, this is how it looks. It's just so beautiful and blended out, and coverage is amazing. Like, I love that LA Girl HD concealer. Like, it's so pretty. So pretty. Everyone doesn't have to do this part, but for me, I love to bake, and I love using the Spun original powder. This is just a loose powder in the translucent extra coverage. It's just this little, well, I use this little thing and this, and I just place that with this little sponge under my eye just to set my concealer so that it doesn't budge the entire day or night, and it just brightens it up more. So I just place that under my eyes, a tad bit on my chin, and I really love to reverse contour, so using that sponge with the same powder, I just go under my contour, and you will just find that like under your cheekbone, so fishy face, and I just go under here, and I drag it to the front of my lip like so. Of course I use more, so I don't know why it's giving me less. So I just grab it from here and drag it. I am so everywhere. Why can't I talk today? Just drag it to the corner of our bottom lip, and the same thing on the opposite side. And reverse contouring, it just cleans up your contour and makes it look, you know, sharp. If you guys are not into that, again, you guys can skip this step, but I like to bake. Now to contour, I like to use the Mega Glow Wet n Wild contouring palette. This is the Dulce de Leche. So I just like using this side over here, obviously. And I use this Real Techniques blush brush. This is my baby. I need a new one, but this is my baby. Like, I love applying my contour with this. You guys can use any little tapered fluffy brush like this just to contour. Fish face, girl. Fish it out. And just drag it into your contour lightly. And I take it to my forehead, my temples. So you're just pretty much like getting like a 3, you know what I mean? So it's like a, like that. Get it? Am I making any sense? I hope so. My forehead, because y'all know I got a big old forehead. I'm well aware of that. So I just like to do the exact same thing on the opposite side of our faces. Well, of my face. I don't know why I say our faces like I'm really doing y'all faces, but I hope y'all following along. Okay? And it's more so knowing your contour, so just bone it out. Yeah, I feel like this highlight mirror always makes a debut in my freaking videos. It's bomb, but we're not using her today. And then I like to get under my chin, so just right here, under here, and blend it down on the neck. Like so. And that's how you contour. I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush. This is in Mellow Wine. It's just this beautiful, deep, like pinkish blush. Using this like since day one. It's my A1, okay? So I'm just taking this multitask brush by Real Techniques. And then I'm just going to be, you can just smile like, and just get the apples of your cheeks. And I like to just blend mine in with my contour just so that it looks well put together and like a natural look. So, like so. And it just kind of like, you know, gives you that little rosy effect. Smile and just get the apples of your cheeks. Come on, ladies. You guys know where you're blushing. You know when y'all blush. Y'all know the area. So just add it to that. Look like so. And that's how we blush. Always remember apples of your cheeks and just slightly blend it into your contour just to give it that natural finish. So now I just like to go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. This is in the Precious Petals. It's just a beautiful highlighter. It kind of like reminds me of like a rose gold, but it just goes on so beautifully. I just use a very fluffy brush. This is just off of the Wish app, but it's a fan brush. So I just like to take one of these and then kind of like add it on. So I just like to put it right here on this bone and kind of like blend it up in this area. So just lightly back and forth, and then just for that natural glow. And in the summertime, oh my goodness, you are going to be glowing. Back and forth, opposite side to the tip of my nose. I'm bridging my nose kind of. You guys can skip that part, but I just like to glow, you guys. And then using my ring finger, I just add some to the corners of my lid. The inner corners of my lid. Natural glow. And we're ready to go. You can go on with any lipstick or lip liner, but I choose just a clear lip gloss. This is by e.l.f. This was $3 at the Old Navy. Stock up. This is the best clear gloss ever. The only thing is I feel like I go through it so fast. This is my second one. I need to go get more. I need to get more. But just add that all over your lips. And that is it. That is the completed look. Hopefully I showed you guys some of my easiest techniques. Very affordable products that you can use. I'm going to link everything down below in the description box, so definitely check that out. Before you guys head out, make sure you guys click that thumbs up button. Thank you guys so much. This journey has been absolutely amazing, and the fact that you guys actually like what I do, oh my goodness, it's just absolutely amazing.